Hi everyone, we have reached the end of talking about all the important features that we have in CapCut tool. So please try to explore all the features that I have discussed in the last few videos. And also there are many other features that if you want to explore, you can definitely navigate to many other things that you have in CapCut to edit your videos properly. So this is a very user-friendly tool. It doesn't take a lot of time to learn this tool. Maybe the first couple of days or weeks, you will have some hard time understanding this tool. But over the period of time, you can edit your videos without any problem. If you see here, there is an option called 16:9. This is for YouTube. At any point in time, if you want to use it for any other requirement, you can use it. Let's say for example, if you want to use it for Instagram or smartphones, you select 9:16. So for YouTube and other video platforms, it is 16:9. And if you want to maximize it, you can maximize it here when you are editing your videos. So this way you can explore a lot of options. All right, we have come to the end of this particular section, and in the next section we are going to discuss about branding. Yes, branding is also very important topic that I am going to cover in the next videos. All right, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.